What's up, everybody? Doing part two here, doing the software part of how you guys can get live streaming your golf rounds here. Figured do a little easy tutorial. It's once you learn everything, it gets pretty simple. I use Streamlabs, so you can go to streamlabs.com. It's free if you're just streaming to one place, such as like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, all that. You want to stream to multiple locations, like at the same time. You gotta buy the Ultra, Streamlabs Ultra. It says right there. I forgot what the price is. I think it's like 14 or 15 bucks a month to do that. So you just download the desktop version, install that, and it should bring this up for you. So this is the one I did for Lou for him. So you can see over here, it's where your webcam will go. Your chat pops up here. Um, the gameplay would be here. The one good thing about Streamlabs is they actually have the chat box option for it to pop up. If you use OBS, which is almost like Streamlabs, it's just the settings are in different places. I think Streamlabs actually piggybacked off of OBS and stole a bunch of their stuff because they're both free, and but you can do chat in this one. So yeah, that's basically the main layout that I do here. But we will go to, let's see, arcade stream. Let's start a new one. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come over to this little plus for you want to add a new scene. So we're gonna call it tutorial. And you won't have any of those transitions. Those, and Streamlabs actually has where is it? The App Store has this integrated where you can download different apps, themes. Themes are what basically they set everything up for you, and you just plug and play your stuff in. They got tons. You can see a lot of them. You need Ultra to do it. There is some free ones in there, but yeah, you can find some free ones and download those. Those will give you starting pages, your live scenes, and all that. So that's something to play with. We can get into that later on, but we will go back to the scene editor. So pretty simple thing. Everything's black. So what you're gonna do is you want to add sources. That's where all your stuff is, and they have them. This is all of them. They got them broken down into different tabs and all that. The main ones you want to worry about is a video capture device. That's what you're gonna put your capture card into. Let's see. No, no, those are up. So we'll just add a new one. So you just add a capture device. It tells you what device you want to do. We will do this one. Will pop up. Yep, there we go. There I am. Hello. So you can put one on your webcam. Put it over there, like that. And next one you want to do is, let's see, another video capture device. And you want to add a new one. And this is where you're going to select your capture card. It should come up as, I think, USB live camera or something like that. It'll pop up. So you would select that, and that'll capture your gameplay. That would be right there. So chat boxes and stuff, that is down in, let's see, right there. So you just add a chat box. Yep. And it just gives you the layout. You can't test chat boxes, but it shows where they are. So that's basically the basics right there of how you can get started. Obviously, let's see, let's try this so you guys can kind of get a visual. We'll add this. We'll do a new one. And we'll do, I think it's my camera over on my rig. Yep. So basically, you would just turn that to that would be your gameplay. You can see me in the background. Hello. Bud Light box on the floor. So you would just put that for your gameplay. And like I said, when you do themes, they have tons of different options you guys can do. And then the next thing you want to make sure, once you get that set up, basically all you need is webcam, your gameplay, chat box. Well, we need a background, right? So all you have to do is find the background you like, and then just drag and drop it in. So we'll drop that in, and then it just goes in layers, so you can move it like that. So then we got a nice little background there. Then alert boxes, that's if somebody likes it, subscribes, does all that. You can play with that. Another thing I like to do is when you go to your Streamlabs right here, as you can see, I'm logged into everything. If you have the free version, it's just one you'll be able to log into. So you just log into it through Streamlabs, and it should always be there when you come up. Another good thing to do is watch this option, the encoder, NVIDIA NVENC H.264 new. That's what I use. If you got decent internet, I forgot what the standard is, but I keep mine at 8,000. Seems to work pretty good. Low latency, that's for if you're converting with chat and all that. It the chat comes through faster for you, and makes it fast. Let's see, audio. So you just change that to your. It'll probably come up on default. This is just because it's not connected right now. So you just change that, the desktop audio, to your speakers that you want, and then your microphone to your microphone that you want, which is right there. So there, we got that, and then you can see now that when I unmute it, that the microphone is working. This is your audio mixer over here. This is where the desktop audio would be if you're playing any desktop audio. And then for, let's see, I think, yeah, when you go live, when you go live, it has this all set up for you where you can change the title to what you want, description. You can create an event on YouTube before, and then it will pop up right here. And then, yeah, I use low latency. That's pretty much the basics for it, for getting your live stream set up. So then you would just go live, just hit confirm and go live, and everything would go live for you. And then you just end it when you're done. Like I said, mess around with the themes. There's a lot of cool stuff you can mess around with this. Collab camps, I did that a little bit. That's when you can have people come in videos. It worked for a little bit, but then it stopped. But yeah, look at all these different things you can add in there. So I would just play around with it. That's kind of the basics to get you started. You got chat box, you got webcam, you got your video, that your game video that'll be from your capture card right there from the machine. And yeah, that's pretty standard for that. And that's all I got for you. We can maybe I'll do an advanced one a little bit later on, teach you guys some more advanced stuff if you're interested. And that's it. Well, I'll see you guys later.